Let's have another word.
Voltaire.
Helicopter.
Cowboy.
Helicopter.
Musical.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
White Bronco.
Oh yeah.
Sedan.
Wheel. You too, buddy.
Used car salesman.
Chain smoking.
Old movies.
Hunter S. Thompson.
JFK.
All right.
Reagan.
Famous presidents.
Government.
Nixon.
Eagle One.
Helicopter.
We're going to helicopters.
Mr. Kennedy. Ronald Reagan and I have come through time and space to save you from assassination. Someone's on fire.
I don't know whatever you mean.
Are you calling me a liar? I am not.
Does Bobby know about this?
I don't even want anything by Bobby.
Who the hell is this guy?
Reagan.
What do you mean, who is the best? I think I saw you in a movie once. It sucked. Why didn't you bring Marilyn with you?
Hey guys, I came as soon as I heard the call. I'm Polk. What's up? What's going on?
Oh God, it's that president no one cares about.
Oh, I'm sorry, actor. Oh, I'm sorry.
Reaganomics, anyone?
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
Alaska.
Polk's here. What, do you have Harding in there too?
As a matter of fact.
Just Taft. Oh, you fat bastard.
So I'm thinking, at the end of the number, just do some like metaphor, like symbolism, before I make my exit.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
And then
That's all
just
you have
walk
to do.
off, and then scene.
That's all you have to do. That can just be your perfect exit.
This will be the greatest two-woman show ever.
So I'll be on stage the whole time. All right.
Yes.
Right. And then in the last 30 seconds, you just walk on, and then just walk
and
off.
then just walk off.
Everyone in the audience will just feel the energy.
They will eat it up. We'll be written about everywhere in all those hipster magazines.
And if people don't understand,
That's what we want. We don't want them to understand. It's above their intelligence level.
and they're just gonna think the whole time that they're missing something because they are.
Got to the performance.
Box. I am a box.
Passing box.
Communism is bad.
So, I'm smoking since I was like 3, right? So by like age 6, I was addicted. And now, I'm 34. And I can't breathe in unless there's nicotine in it.
That's nothing. My mom smoked when I was born, and I smoked all my years. But then I realized, hey, why go through the mouth and the esophagus and all the way down This goes directly to the lungs. That's why I
You got a
installed
better way?
this shunt right here. Just open it up, put the cigarette into the shunt, light it, and I just go.
That way I can eat.
Yeah, so you just get multiple shunts, just put it in here. I can actually smoke a whole pack in one breath.
Dude.
Bill, you're just like a little chimney, aren't you?
Yep.
My wit outdoes myself.
So yeah, so, this is cool.
I'm so glad we decided to be actors in this silent film. It really doesn't even require any talent. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying.
You two the actors? Alright. So basically this is your staging, this is where the camera's gonna be. Get my director's chair! I'm so excited! Alright. Why don't we just read through with the scripts? You guys got your scripts in the email, right?
Yeah, totally.
Alright, just follow through with your scripts. Ready? And scene.
I can't work like this.
I'm trying!
She's all out.
I am
She is
trying!
everywhere. She made me break character just now.
I am trying, okay?
It's not enough.
You
Let me tell you
schmutzes
right
give
now.
me headaches!
This is me. This is you.
Your inflection on
This
the
is me in
last
the next
line.
5 minutes.
Listen,
This
your
is you.
inflection on the last line was completely off.
There wasn't.
I did not feel it.
Is everything okay on my end?
Well, we
Get
didn't.
back to your little music box.
Music was great, Sal. Thank you. Thank
No
you.
problem. This is the only word I can find.
Right, so tests are in. The studies have shown that this movie is going to be a flop. So in order to make this better, just decided we need some more action. Okay, it's got silent. So if you can't talk, you might as well just take your clothes off. All right.
Wow.
All right. All right. This is the last movie we're doing together.
Yes.
This is the last movie.
This is awkward. You bring your chopper. Helicopter boy.
I'm tired of being pegged into a single role. I'm helicopter boy. Why can't I be Zeppelin boy?
Zeppelins are they're not cool. Alright?
You ever see any of those World War I newsreels?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. Oh, the humanity.
Yeah,
That's cool. They had fire
but see,
sometimes.
here's the problem, okay?
Once.
You want to do this helicopter bumper ride, but you want Zeppelins. I kind of
It doesn't have to be Zeppelins. We could have autogyros, biplanes, maybe even a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon boy.
Hang gliders, okay, you can hang glider.
Hang
boy.
gliders, you're getting the hang of it.
Just get into a helicopter and let's try this out, alright? Can you do that for me? Just once? Flying a submarine or whatever you wanted, okay? I can't remember. Alright. You wanna do it? Alright? Wanna do it?
Yes.
Alright. Get in your helicopter, I'll get in mine, let's do this. Ready, boy?
Yes.
Alright. Let's do this.
Don't mind me, I'm Ancient Flying Machine Man.
Oh my